I'm an engineer Ayaz Ahmad. Welcome back to my channel Engineer Ayaz 9.0. This is my channel. Today I will teach you why the wiring is failed in series rather than we are wiring in parallel. So today you will understand this concept. Before going to understand this concept, I would like to request you all that you should tap on the subscribe button, because educational channels are not growing on YouTube. So you are the one who can change the world by tapping on the subscribe button. You will encounter many more important videos in my this channel. So this would be fruitful for uh, your career. So you should tap on the subscribe button. So let's start. This is the circuit that I have made. It is not a rocket science. It is this simple circuit to made. Just you have to pick up some components and you have to connect the wiring. This is the proteus software. So let's start. First of all, I will run this simulation. Go here and run. Yeah, you can see here that these are the LED lights are turning on. So why the wiring is failed in series? My today's video is about it. So I will practically show you how why the wiring is in parallel and why it is not in series. So this is the wiring, it is connected in series. First of all, now I will if I will stop the simulation, if I will stop the simulation and I will disconnect one of the wire. So look, then I will run the simulation. The simulation will not run because our wiring is in series. So that's why I have disconnected one wire, a single wire. Then the entire circuit will not work. The entire bulbs will turn off because the wiring is in series. So this is the disadvantage to wiring in series. So we should wire the lights in parallel. Okay. So I have made wiring about I have made a video about wiring in parallel. So you should watch that video as well. Okay. So then I will resume it. Just I will stop this simulation and I will connect this wire here. Then after I will run my simulation once again. If I will tap on this run button, then my simulation will run. Because if we will off one light in series, so all lights will be off. So that's why we should wiring in parallel rather than in series. So this is a practical video that I have let you understood to you guys. So thank you so much viewers. Please tap on the subscribe button. Thank you so much once again.